Alofa. It's 6:30 on a Saturday morning. I'm awake. It is our end of year celebration for our Siva Afi class. So I'm going to get food, then we're coming back to set up. Come with me. So I am now in the car. I'm dressed. We have our new Measina Siva Afi logoed t-shirts. If you look closely, let me see. It's got the new Oti with the flames and the Samoan designs. We're very happy with the new Siva Afi, Measina Siva Afi logo. They are now available in our store. You can purchase them in adult sizes in black and white. So this is the white one. We also have a black one. So our Measina Siva Afi logo was designed by, I forget his name, but I'm going to leave his link in the description. He is Hawaiian and he's based in Samoa, working together with my Leilani. So have a look at his logo. Have a look at his link, and also check out our Measina Siva Afi merch, available now. Shopping is done at Coles, and now we're headed to pick up what did we order? We ordered panikeke and vaisalo and otai. So they are getting made by Tausami Time, and we're so excited. I wish it was time for their Tausami ribs, but it's just breakfast time. So vaisalo, panikeke and otai coming up next. I forgot to film at Tausami Time, but this is what we got from Tausami Time. Some panikeke, vai mango. I don't know if I'm going to be able to open this with one hand, but there's vai mango there. And then we also have vaisalo. Let me open these and then I'll film. Vaisalo is still hot. Very excited to eat this. It's like a big bucket of vaisalo. Yum. This is the vai mango. It's a massive bucket. It smells so good. Can't wait to drink it. So this is a table where we're gonna have the food. There's lots of ants out here, so we're not putting the food out yet. Look at my pretty garden. Sunflowers are growing really big now. Excited for them to flower. This is the space where the students will be performing, we'll be talking, and then we have where people can watch. Thank you all for coming today. We're really excited to be able to celebrate a whole year of classes. This has not been something that we've been able to do for a very long time, and so we're very grateful for all of your support. We're going to start with the performances. So each of the students are going to do a freestyle of the moves that they've learnt throughout the term or throughout the year, and then we will move on to a gift. So, ever since Logan was learning, he always learned by himself. So it was very lonely for him, and we were so happy to see that we were able to get more people interested in Siva Afi this year and to learn as a group, and seeing you all work together to practice and to grow. So we made Siva Afi t-shirts for you all, but they haven't arrived yet. So if I could get your addresses, I would mail them all to you. But so Measina Siva Afi is for all of you, and for anyone who wanted to learn Siva Afi, so that you're not alone. So you always have someone to learn with. So we've got a little gift for you to say thank you for your support, thank you for choosing Siva Afi, and thank you for putting the dedication and work into learning.
So can everyone that were in the classes please come up and receive some gifts.
So the t-shirts are coming. Thank you.
What is this thing?
The t-shirts are coming.
Thank you guys.
So thank you everyone. Did you get one? Everyone got one?
What is this?
3, 2, 1, left.
Yes!
But earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, left. Got it, ready? 3, 2, 1, left. Ready? 3, 2, 1, left. Stop on it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, left. Ready? 3, 2, 1, right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, right. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, left. Good catch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, left. 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 Rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Left.
Hi, Chris. Come here. Take the loss, alright?
Step back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, left.
Got a croissant in his mouth. Oh, nice catch, Lou.
Left. Right. Left. 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 Right. Right. Left. Does anyone else want to call? Because I feel like it's going
Come out there.
Right.
No, quickly come out.
Left.
Left.
Right. Left. Right. Right. Right.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I'm eating. Wait. Let's see if it's gonna get it.
I got.
Okay, do you want to make it one person one or two person? One person? Okay.
Oh, all right then. All right.
So us two.
Oh, wait,
Then it would be me and her.
oh, wait. Wait,
Hey, bro.
you know what? Have you seen the view today?
Okay, so me and you will stand back. You stand here behind me, and then we're gonna take 2 steps forward, and then someone in the crowd is gonna say throw.
They're going to chase through. And then take 2 steps forward.
So we'll take 2 steps forward. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hold your holsters!
Bro.
Someone want to say throw?
Gun shoot! Yeah!